American, when them hear the word bun, they might think this. For the British, this. But for one Jamaican, we have enough different things what we might talk about. Wagwan people, this is Jania from Jamaican Center. If you want to know exactly what we mean when we are talking about the word bun, not gonna wait, stick around. Wait, before we move on, do me a little favor now. Make sure you subscribe and like the video and click the notification bell so you can know when we push out more video. At Easter time in Jamaica, one big tradition we have is to eat bun and cheese. Bun is a sweet brown colored loaf. It includes some dried or candied fruits, baking spices, and it is infused with a popular stout. Make it a special treat for us during Easter celebrations. And in that time, people actually give buns as gift during the season, and we get bun during the season as well, and we're actually happy to give or get bun. But that is not always the case. Another way we give, or as we would have said in Jamaica, give bun, can cause big passa, because to give bun means that the person is having an intimate relationship outside of the one they are currently in, or as some people would call it, they might have an affair. Example, in Galagim bun. Now in Jamaica, something can bun me, and when we use it in a certain context, it can be used to express annoyance or even disgust at someone who does something that they should have known better than to do. Example, she knew said the man have him girl already. It bun me for her, you see. Now something can bun me, but in another way as well. Now when we say something bun me, it can be from a burning sensation, like from an irritant, or from spicy foods like peppers. Example, oh, my chest a bun me. Or, oh, pepper bun me. Now in Jamaica, we have something we can bun down or burn up, and that means the thing got burned from a literal fire or from heat. Example, the house burned down, or the rice burn up again. Now another burn up has to do with wasting money. You know, in an English expression like your money went down the drain, it's something similar to that, where your money wasn't used or it was wasted. The purpose for which it was intended, it didn't get used for that purpose. And so we would say it burn up. Example, we pay down on the phone and then we find out say I want scam. So all of my money burn up. What a thing. Wait, me can't done the video without talk about the sweetest food to many a Jamaican, bun, or as we call it sometimes, pot bottom. That's when you cook the rice and it start to scorch at the bottom of the pot, so it kind of have a little burn flavor and it cake up together down there, so the sweetest part, alive. So you just see, you learn 7 different ways where we use bun in a Jamaica. So really, you have to listen very carefully to the context where we are using it in to know exactly what we mean. Cause you don't want to get bun and I know Easter. Hope so you learn something, and we come back again to learn some more about food language. Until next time, big up yourself, bless up yourself, little more.